Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. The number of conical bottles of radius 2 cm and height 3.6 cm required to empty the liquid from a cylindrical bottle of radius 6 cm and height 10 cm is what? So we have to find the number of conical bottles here. So let's say this is our cylindrical bottle that has radius which is given 6 cm and height which is given as 10 cm. Now let us draw a conical bottle. So let's say this is our conical bottle having height, let's say h1, which is given as 3.6 cm, and let's say radius is r1, which is also given, which is 2 cm. Now we have assumed that we will take n number of this conical bottles having the given radius and height. Now what is given that this bottle, the volume of both the cylindrical bottle and the n number of conical bottles are equal, because it is required to empty the liquid from cylindrical bottle and that liquid is to be filled in this conical bottle. So we can say that volume of both will be equal. So let us equate the volume of n number of conical bottles to the volume of this large cylindrical bottle. So let's find the volume now. We know that the volume of cone or conical bottles is given as 1 by 3 pi r square h, and here radius is r1 and height is h1. But there are n number of conical bottles, so we will multiply that volume with n. So n multiplied by 1 by 3 pi radius and height pi r square h. Similarly, we know the volume of cylinder is given as pi r square h, where r and h are the radius and height respectively. Now we can say n multiplied by 1 by 3 pi gets cancelled and this radius r1 of cone was 2 cm, 2 square, and height was given as 3.6 cm. So pi gets cancelled here and the radius of cylindrical bottle, we can say it is 6 cm. So 6 square and height is given as 10 cm. So from here we can see that we can calculate the value of n as 3 multiplied by 36 multiplied by 10 divided by 4 multiplied by 3.6. If we simplify it, we will get the number of conical bottles n as 75. So now let's check the option, and 75 we can say it is option C. Hence we can say that the answer is option C.